Yes, welcome to Forex, the channel person into the financial market. Please, if I don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, that's notification. So each time we post a video, YouTube can easily get you notified. And YouTube can also redirect others who are new into this video. So without wasting much of your time, in today's video, we'll be talking quickly on the Forex weekly chart analysis breakdown. So as you all know, if you're not on the playlist, go and check it out on the playlist. We discuss how how our trade went and how the week went and how the analysis went and what we're expecting for the next week. That is the main purpose of this week. And without wasting much of the time, my promise is we'll be going live any moment from now to talk about this breakdown. So stick to the channel, subscribe, and also obviously shout out. And also like our video. So that's without wasting much of my time into this video. We all know that first thing every Monday we go to our 4 hour time frame. What do we go to this 4 hour time frame to do? Number one, to determine to determine the overall trend. Number one, to determine the overall trend. Number one, first H4 over overall trend. Two, high and low of the week. So the first thing we do when we wake up, when we go to, after the morning devotion, we go to our forward time frame is number one. It helps us determine the overall trend. Like, are we bullish? Are we bearish? Or it helps us to determine the high and low of the week. We all know that. And I think people are asking me the difference between the line, everything. We will respond to that. So everything just step after the other. So we determine the overall trend. And number two, we look for our high and low of the week. Why do we look for the high and low of the week? Is in this strategy, it helps us determine if we are buying or if we are expecting more buy for the week or more of sell. If we are expecting more buy for the week or more or sell. So that is how it helps us to determine the overall trade of the week. So then we now go to our H1. Then we now go to our H1. What do we go to this H1? What do we go to this H1 to do? What do we go to this H1 to do is secondly we go to H1. What do we go to H1? For trend confirmation. For trend confirmation. If we are bullish, the candle might be pretty to those who understand chart analysis here. It might be seeming like we are bullish on the 4 hour, while we are bearish on the 1 hour. But how do you combine those things to make use of it? It's number one. You have to understand the candlestick pattern, the Ariami, the Surami, the Ariami, the Ema, the Doji, the Dragonfly, so forth and so on. Then after we understand, well, after the trend confirmation, is we have to go for the 15. 15. This 15 means 15 minutes time frame. What do we do? Entry, confirmation, entry, and confirm. And sorry guys, additional conference here. We go for additional conference. So, as a day trader here, there are some things you have to understand. Is as a day trader, you are mainly determined to take your trade either from the 15 minutes or 1 hour. That's for day trader. We have different kind of trader for those new people who understand and who are the group and who are asking different questions. We have different kind of traders. Yeah, we have the swing trader, we have the day trader, we have the scalper. The scalper make use of the 5 minutes and the 1 minute. Some of the scalper they only do the analysis of 15 minutes like me. And let me not mind you that in trading, yeah, in trading, there are some things, there are some how you do analysis. Based on I am a day trader, I have to do my analysis. That's what we call top-down analysis from the 4 hour to the 1 hour to the 15 minutes, where I'll be taking the so-called M3. So this is how this is how we do it. I say the first is H4, direct to 4 hour. What do I go to that 4 hour to do? Let me recap before we move on. I say to determine the overall trend. If the price, like, is Euro USD bullish? Is USD JPY bullish? Is it bearish? Then the next thing is to toggle on my section break. This section break. Yeah, the next thing is to toggle on my section break. What do I toggle on this section break? What do I toggle on this section break to do is to determine the first candle that creates for the week and the second candle. So that first candle and second candle will help me determine the bullish and the bearish of that candle. So that first candle, I will not determine the one, the eye, the one that put in. So that's how it is. So let us, that is how we treat. I think I cannot delete it. You cannot snap it. H4 overall trend, higher low of the week session break. That is what I determine. H1 for trend confirmation, 15 minutes for entry and additional confluences. So if I want to get my confirmation and enter, I can't just enter. Either I got stop out or my stop loss got it. So that is how it fish. So without much of time, let's go to the trade. So this is on SAUSD. SAUSD means gold versus dollar. So that is what SAUSD. I will be doing pure. I just feel like doing pure teaching this morning. So SAUSD simply means, because I think we have a lot of newbies. I have a lot of newbies on my DM and what here. So when you hear about SA shit, sorry guys. So when you hear about SA SAUUSD, gold versus United States. So this is gold versus the United States dollar. So what does this simply mean? This simply tells us that the gold against the dollar. So this price here, this line you're seeing on this left hand side corner of the PC or the right hand side, like depends where you place your system or your PC or your phone. So this is the price of gold. As you can see that gold closed to 2,720 to dollar. That means one gold is 2,720 dollar. So gold versus dollar, that is the short meaning of SA. There's the meaning of That's the meaning of SAUUS. That's the full meaning of that's the full meaning of SAUSD. So as you can see, here's the session break. Yeah. So this first bearish candle pretend just an hour before we could say on Monday. in Africa. So this is my low of the week. This black candle, this black bearish candle, to don't understand, the black here stands for bearish, while the blue here stands for bullish. So this black candle here determine the bearish, why this blue candle here determine the bullish. So this candle were higher than this, then I put my low here. I put it here. What do you see? Immediately break above the eye of the week. We see more buy. Go keep on skyrocketing. See the candle that breaks out. So let's go to the 1 hour. You go to the 1 hour now. You go to the 1 hour now. You see that the price is going up. Like this. This is impulsive. This is correction. This is impulsive. This correction. This is impulsive. This correction. This is impulsive. This correction. Every impulsive in trading, every move must have correction. So I'll be dropping that video when everything like complete. So you see, this is impulsive, this correction, and this correction you have to buy. This is impulsive, this correction you have to buy. This is impulsive, this correction you have to go long. This impulsive correction, correction, impulsive you get it. So it shows that the chart is on a bullish candle. Oh, what I'm talking about bullish in Forex, what do you mean? Bullish means uptrend. Or buy. But we are bullish. That means we are a strong uptrend. So that's what bullish simply means. So we talk about the bullish here. So the bullish here. So then I have to come to my 15. When I come to 15 minutes time, flashback to the things I wrote on the screen. When I tell you that the 15 minutes, it then be get additional confluence either to add my trade line for confirmation, because that is when I will be entering the trade. That is when I will be entering the trade. So so that's power outage. That's what we experience in Nigeria. I'm so sorry. So that is what we determine. So 15 minutes. So in this 15 minutes now, I go short here. I breaks even. Breaks even mean to turn your loss where you set your stop loss, where you were able to imagine to get loss. You now put it to take to profit. Even though you eat it, you are not in loss. You may be ending up with small profit. Then I enter, then I enter the second. Sorry guys for the power change, for the good light to explain about. So that was much for the time here. So you got to this zone, you got to this zone, you got stop out, you got to this zone, you got stop out. Then we enter try again. I wanted to enter just for information, but we got stop out. They got stop out, one break even, one loss. So then this has to break out just to retest this eye of the week. Then boom, it went straight up. Then you go to this zone. When you get to this zone, when you get to this zone, it retested to this, and there's this trend line here. I have to buy. What do I buy? There was this psychological level of 2675.00. To those who are asking for the psychological level, 2605.00, that is 25,000 in USD. But you know that is 50-50, but here is 25. I'll be sharing the secret on the next video. So you go to this zone, you have to buy. So when you come to here, so I was waiting for price to get us. I set this signal evenly to the group, everything I do. If I'm not trying to Prof FS community on Telegram, you just say member of 16. And I want we could get to 1K before Christmas. So we could do a giveaway and we could do a shout out. So it come to this zone. I tell everybody before in the morning. I don't know if I have the snap on my phone or go save on my Snapchat. So before in the morning, yeah, it could not come to a psychological level. Sometimes you don't fall straight. Why you don't fall straight is it's better it comes to your zone and you take loss. Then you know what went wrong. Than you, you take profit, you don't know what went wrong. Because you have to rearrange, redefine, re-strategize again. So we left the trade. But that was how our week went trading the SUSD. One break even, one loss, and one TP. So let's go to the next pair. So the next pair could be a Euro USD. So Euro US, let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Then you will see the difference. In 4 hour time frame, EU has retested. So we also from here, this was the first candle I played for the week. This was the second candle I played for the week. Then immediately breaks even. Immediately breaks out. Then we expecting more of sell. What do we see in EU for the week? We saw more of sell. This strategy is not to add, just to break down. The aim is just to have people who can trace together, discuss about the chart, please. So we got to the zone, it breaks out, then we have to retest. What do I have to do? I have to come to the one to determine. Then immediately come to this zone, immediately breaks out to this, it breaks out. That's giving me one confirmation. And that has given me, and that has given me some, and that has given me some conferences here. So I went straight down. I think it should be on the group. If you're not trading with us on the Telegram group, please don't forget to join us. So we came here, get to the psychological level, we saw it again. Boom, boom, boom. Then here was where I put this trend. I could not trade because I got busy and I got carried away, maybe doing one or two stuff. So working or doing other stuff. When this was the last trade on EU, I sent this thing signal early in the morning. Oh, sorry, let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. I sent this signal early in the morning. So with the video on it, even video attached on my YouTube and on the Telegram channel. So even on my Instagram story, if you're not following or if you want to sell with you, please don't forget to follow us on Instagram, prof underscore FS underscore one. Our academic channel is prof FS underscore academy on the on Snapchat, prof underscore 22, prof official prof 22 on Twitter, prof underscore FS. Don't forget to follow us. So you came to this zone, then we are just asking everybody to close up. Then we are done for the week. So let me quickly go to GBP USD. So we all know that when we talk about the GBP USD, what are we insinuating? I'm simply telling you about, say for instance, I'm talking about GU. What am I insinuating? GU simply means great between pound versus dollar. The G's they start with Great Britain. That's the pounds the UK use to those who don't understand. Then versus dollar. You mean United States dollar. So those are the abbreviation. That's just what I was talking about on my Reels, on my Instagram just now. So you have to understand each terminology. So let's go. This is not our me. So let's go. And we're trying to break everything down. And we're trying to break everything down. So to those who don't understand trading, to those who don't understand trading, they could understand. So let's go to the chart. Let's go to the chart. Let's go to the chart. Then we'll call it a day because the video is getting more and longer. Jesus. So as you can see, we first of all go to the 4. Let's go to the 4. Let's go to the 4 hours. Let's go to the 4. 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 On the 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, we saw after we time our high of the low, we saw a breakout, and after a breakout, we saw a massive rejection from this zone that give us the confirmation of this sell of GU. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame helps us to determine before the Great British Pound CPI. I remember this can't be only remember that there was CPI and I took trading and I know what happened. So after the Great British Pound, after I come to this zone, we have to sell. It stop us. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. After the Great British Pound, it stop us out. It stop us out here from this zone. So it came to this zone. I sent a signal to the group. Then we all break even. Immediately the break even, our break even hit, we went out and we could hit 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So immediately come to this zone, there was this news. I have to set pending order. Pending order, then I went to take shower. Then it came to this zone, then there was this massive flash because there was this consolidation, there was this massive flash. Because I wanted to buy from this zone. So it came, there was this flash of the CPI, then I get stop out. Then when we come to this zone, when you come to this zone, and this was form of a W head and shoulder pattern. If you understand patterns, so we have head and shoulder, we have neckline breakout, we have W pattern. So I just said that shoulder pattern give me confirmation. At time, the other shoulder will be higher than the other shoulder. So I just have to. Here was where I use only price action, pure price action, no other purpose. So chart pattern. So immediately I saw this, I had low shoulder, I have to set. And you could see I set this signal to the group. So the only thing I think about is that I don't follow and I don't know how to make a lot of noise. So then this was the last day of the trade. Immediately come to this open buy. I still remember everybody was soon. I sent this to this channel channel. This was on Friday. Then everybody meets and I got some DM. Shout out to all the students who are taking, who are learning, and I'm glad you are learning and I'm seeing the results. Yeah. So the greatest joy of every human being on earth is the impact it creates, not the other stuff. Yeah. I want to say big shout out to everyone. Send me a shout. I sent you a shout out in advance, and I'm sending you a shout out to the great traders we have in Prof on the Prof FS Academy. So we are not charging money, we're just teaching for free. Yeah. So if you're not joining us, join us. What are we expecting for the week? I've not checked, I've not checked the fundamental. So let's us not forget that at the back of our mind that the US, the US general election is coming up on the 5th of November between between President Donald J. Trump and Kamala Harris, former Vice President to Joe Biden. What am I saying this is I'm trying to put at the back of your mind that there's a good fundamental and it will affect every currency pair. Because what am I saying this is the world is in backup, the world are reserved, the world are reserved with the dollar. So It will affect every currency pair sign for next week. And I'm seeing the dollar getting weak. The dollar is going to be weak. When we mean weak, that means weak simply means in forex when you hear weak, in forex when you hear weak, it's it's it simply means it will have less of power. This man is a weak man. It means you have less of power, it will not have strength. So for SAUSD, SAUSD will be buying for the week. SAUSD will keep buying, will keep buying. Let's just expect more buy. So for GU will be consolidating, GU will be consolidating, but I still see dollar stronger than the GU. So let's keep focused as we have 1 week plus ahead to the general election. And if you're not trading with us on the Telegram channel, please and please don't forget to join and subscribe. Send us DM. If you can't see, just send us DM or just type with FS community. Just type with FS community. With FS community in Telegram search bar, it will show you the group, then you will join, or just send me DM directly. So check the link in the description box. The link will be dropped in the description box to join us. And if you're not subscribed, please, the subscription will mean a lot to us. Peace out. I love you.